In the 21st century, the concept of totalitarianism has migrated from the physical world of secret police and barbed wire into the digital world of code, data, and algorithms. This is often referred to as digital totalitarianism or techno-authoritarianism. Here is how the ideas of Arendt and Orwell have been upgraded for the modern era. 1. The modern telescreen, ubiquitous surveillance. Orwell's Big Brother required a physical screen in every room. Today, we carry the surveillance device in our pockets. Data exhaust. Unlike the 20th century where the state had to work hard to find information, we now voluntarily produce data exhaust through GPS, search history, and social media. Predictive policing. Using AI to predict where crimes might happen or who might commit them, fulfills Orwell's concept of thought crime. You aren't punished for what you did, but for what the algorithm says you are likely to do. Facial recognition. In countries like China and Russia, Skynet systems and massive CCTV networks can identify individuals in seconds, effectively ending the concept of public anonymity. 2. The social credit system, gamified conformity. Arendt's theory that totalitarianism requires atomized individuals is being tested by systems that use social connectivity as a weapon. Trustworthiness as currency. In various pilot programs, most notably in China, citizens are given a score based on their behavior, paying taxes on time, what they buy, and even who they hang out with. Invisible punishment. If your score drops, you aren't necessarily thrown in jail, which is loud and causes protest. Instead, the system softly restricts you. Your internet speed slows down, you're barred from high-speed trains, or your children can't get into certain schools. This is Arendt's isolation achieved through software. 3. Algorithmic gatekeeping, the new newspeak. Orwell warned about the narrowing of language. Today, the narrowing happens through algorithms. Shadow banning. Instead of deleting a post, which proves censorship, algorithms can simply ensure no one sees it. This creates the illusion of a consensus that doesn't exist. Filter bubbles. Algorithms show you what they think you want to see, which leads to the atomization Arendt feared. People living in the same city can live in two completely different realities based on their news feeds. Deepfakes and the permanent lie. AI-generated content makes it impossible to distinguish truth from fiction, leading to a state of cynical surrender, where citizens stop trying to find the truth. Exactly what Arendt described as the prerequisite for total rule. Summary: Arendt and Orwell in 2026. Concept: the 20th century version, the digital version, 2026. Surveillance: secret police/informants. AI: facial recognition metadata. Enforcement: gulags and purges, blacklists, deplatforming, social credit. Propaganda: loudspeakers and posters. Targeted ads, bots, algorithmic bias. Isolation: breaking up families/clubs, digital echo chambers. And social cooling. The big shift totalitarianism 1.0 relied on fear and violence. Digital totalitarianism 2.0 often relies on convenience and efficiency. We trade our privacy for a better map app or a faster checkout, often realizing too late that the data we gave away is being used to build our own digital cage. Would you like me to find some real-world examples of how people are using privacy tech, like encryption or decentralized webs, to resist these digital systems?